Hello, dear traders. Today I'm going to give the step-by-step breakdown on Aussie dollar, the trade that I took yesterday, all of my thought processes so that you guys can learn why I took the short position in Aussie dollar. So here, let me just explain this that the pink area that you are seeing is the Asian session, the green area is the London session, and the darker green area is the New York session. So when I was looking into the market, the price was into New York session. So I always start my trade analysis from higher time frame, basically starting from 4-hour time frame, which I consider to be a macro level time frame. So immediately from a 4-hour time frame, I can see the price was sitting in an order block. Price was sitting in an order block or supply. So this was a very strong level because when price created this bearish, bullish and bearish order block, it took down liquidity to the left. You can see price took down several liquidity from the left. So this was a very important level of supply the price was in. Now moving into our 1-hour time frame, which is a micro level time frame, I saw that price, while creating this impulse, took down the London high and the Asian high. So this is our London high the price took down, and this is our Asian high that price took liquidity of. So in the back of my mind, I was thinking that price may pull back at least to the level of order block that created the overall impulse to the upside. Okay, so that was in the back of my mind. So I was expecting price to at least come into the demand, 1-hour demand or 1-hour order block level from obviously a macro level order block, which is H4. I mean, this is the H4 level of order block. So I went to even lower time frame to see what price is doing, and let me just delete a few of this so my chart looks a bit cleaner. Okay, so I know there's a supply here, and from 5-minute time frame, what I saw was I had my higher low at there. So this was my higher low, and this is my higher high. So we have this into the market, and I knew if I was waiting for the break of structure, price would already reach to my level, to the demand level, so I would not short from there. So I was looking for an alternative trade setup, which is sign of weakness. Whenever price breaks two short-term lows or short-term highs, that is considered to be a sign of weakness, and that is a reversal pattern. So as you can see, price break a short-term low here. So this was my first short-term low the price broke, and then price again break another short-term low, which we consider to be a sign of weakness. So I saw a sign of weakness, I saw reversal, and then I marked up the order block that created this sign of weakness, which is also my area of interest. So I'm not interested to short here, but actually from this level, from a supply level, from a return to impulse level. So I waited for price to reach into my level, and just here price came into my level, and from here I went down to 1-minute time frame to time my entry. Immediately I saw price took down liquidity from equal highs. Look at that, this impulse took down the liquidity. So now I was waiting for some sign of reversal from 1-minute time frame so that I can take my short position. And remember, we are into a supply level from higher time frame, and we are wanting to go into a level of demand, which is right here. Okay, so I was looking for some sort of a reversal here, and okay, this was my first sign, because not only I got bearish, bullish, bearish continuation pattern, but I also got left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. So this is head and shoulder pattern, which is also one of the reversal pattern. Okay, that was my one confluence, and I also was waiting for a trend line break for my second confluence. Okay, so right at this moment, what I saw was three confluence. Number one, I saw a reversal pattern, that is head and shoulder pattern. I saw break of a trend line, retest and rejection, and I also saw again two short-term levels being broken. So that was enough confluence for me to take this trade into a short position. So I took this trade into a demand level, which gave me 1:3.26 risk to reward, which is a good risk to reward. And then I took this trade, and price moved to smash my take profit level. So this was the step-by-step breakdown of a trade that I took on Aussie dollar. Thank you for watching, guys.